Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable participant screen sharing in Zoom for Windows. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Zoom, I need you to click the sign up for free option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Enabling participant screen sharing in Zoom for Windows is a straightforward process, especially that participants can share their screens to collaborate on documents, spreadsheets, or designs in real time, facilitating effective teamwork and problem solving. Because when you allow that, team members can demonstrate software, workflows, or processes directly from their screens, providing a clear and practical explanation. Now, if this method is also available in the Zoom app on your mobile device, but if you're comfortable using the web or the Zoom app, I need you to click on the join meeting, join option, or a new meeting if you want it. And that is if you have the meeting ID or personal link name. But if you don't, you might want to just click on the new meeting here, right? What will happen is you would be forwarded with a new pop-up window for a Zoom meeting, okay? And for you to be able to screen share for the participants, remember, if you are the host of the Zoom meeting, you have the ability to screen share automatically, right? You see, you can screen share, and of course, you have an option here that says you can enable multiple participants can share simultaneously, or one participant can share at a time. If you click on the advanced sharing options, you have an option that says who can share, you as the host or all participants, all right? And who can start sharing when someone else is sharing. So for you to be able to enable, to be able to have the participant screen share, allow participants here, all right? And click on this option right here as well, all right? But because enabling these will facilitate better communication, collaboration, and productivity, making it a valuable feature for a wide range of professional, educational, and personal uses. Instead of, sending files back and forth, participants now can share their screens to review files together, making it easier to discuss and edit content collaboratively. Especially when working with clients, sharing screens allows you to present proposals, reports, or visual content directly, enhancing the clarity and professionalism of your presentations. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.